Hi everyone, welcome back to ThaiProp 101. It's me again, Valen from DWG Malaysia, and today we are going to be talking about Bangna, which is known as Siam 2.0 and also the next capital city of Thailand. And as usual, we will be having our guest Sumit Chai, and he is the head of sales of Thailand. And trust me, if you would like to know anything about Thailand, he'll be the right guy for you all to speak with.
Sawadee krap. Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Chai. Thank you so much for having me here.
Sumit, let's give a brief of overview for Bangna, okay? Because right now, based on what I researched, also according to Google Map, Bangna is located roughly in the southeastern part of Bangkok. But where is it actually?
Bangna is a suburb of Bangkok. It's 13 stations away from Siam along the BTS Sukhumvit line. So most of us would know it as the Green Line. Basically like 20 minutes from the Siam.
Okay, but then what is the story, for this Bangna, and what makes Bangna to be, to really be the next capital city of Thailand?
To explain Bangna, it's similar to our Mutiara Damansara in KL, right? A city that basically have everything that you need, but yet with more to come. In Bangna case, there is so much more.
What do you mean by there are more to come? Basically, is a Bangna, a mature location and also with more land for future development. So what is it right now in Bangna?
Bangna has come a very long way in these recent years with the opening of Mega Bangna, the Bangkok International Trade and Exhibition Center, BTEC, or maybe something that is similar to Malaysia that we have MITEC, and there are new developments coming along. It has become one of the fastest growing areas in Bangkok. So we're not just looking at the simplistic growth of a location where everyone in Thailand is moving forward, looking forward to move into Bangna, but the rise of Bangna itself is on international scale where massive global companies have invested and are investing into the city.
When the moment you mention massive global companies investing, it sounds a little bit like Bangsa South, but why Bangna?
Yes, it's something similar to Bangsa South with amount of MNCs, expatriate come and work. One of the reasons why Bangna is because of EEC.
What is the EEC?
EEC is known as Eastern Economic Corridor. It's a key project by the Thai Kingdom. It's basically to boost economic development in the eastern region. Alright, Bangna is actually the gateway, should I say the start of EEC. Therefore, it has a prime position attracting substantial investment. This investment will lead to the development of infrastructures, new job opportunities, and even growth in various industries.
Whoa, this is incredible. And as someone who are within the property industry, I can't help but think that this is actually a gold mine for every investor. With all the new developments and also infrastructures being built, I'm pretty sure there will be a surge in demand for space. And that also means there will be a huge potential for property investors, right, Sumit?
Yes, that's right. So Bangna has become one of the most sought after areas in Bangkok.
Interesting. Alright, then now perhaps we should talk a little bit more into property market in Bangna. According to the recent reports, the property market in Bangna is experiencing, a steady growth with also a varieties of properties available at different price point. What do you think about this, Sumit?
Alright, so what do I think, right, personally, whether you're looking for a studio or a two-bedder, Bangna has something to offer. Of course, if you're looking for a property to buy as a foreigner, then local Thai applies. But come back to the topic. The property market in Bangna is diverse. There are a variety of properties available that cater to different budgets and preferences. So whether you're looking for a high-rise condo with a view of the city of Bangna, or even a spacious house with a garden, you can still find it in Bangna.
And just to clarify, based on the current Thai law, foreigners are not allowed to own any land in Thailand. but they are allowed to own freehold condos. So as a Malaysian, yes, you can buy a freehold condos.
Yes,
Right.
generally speaking, yes, correct.
Okay, then would you like to share more? I mean, what are the property price in Bangna right now?
Can. So the market trend right now, historically, right, Bangna was about 69,000 Thai baht per square meter in 2013. But now itself, 120,000 Thai baht per square meter. But if we compare to other areas in Bangkok, Bangna is actually affordable, making it a very, very attractive option for first-time home buyers or even investors.
Okay, I mean, yes, we discussed about Thailand property prices in our previous episode. So if you are interested to know more, yes, we have added the link below, which you can, have a look again. Then what about the trend, the property trend in Bangna? What are the property size demand likes right now?
Alright, so on the demands in Bangna, studio and one bedder are still the most popular type of property in Bangna, right? Especially among young professional and first-time home buyers, they're still looking for this. Main reason why, as a local Thai, we actually have two houses. One in the suburbs, maybe somebody came from different state, right? So this is where their families, their parents, is our hometown. Then this individual will also look for one more place, one more house, alright, that they want to rent near to their workplace and also near to the train station.
But I'm guessing it's also not just the property market that actually makes Bangna a great place to invest in. I mean, besides that, I mean, what else do they really have in Bangna?
One of the things that Bangna is unique, right, is because diversity of attractions, from the popular mega Bangna Mall to the serene Bang Krachao Park. There's something for everyone in Bangna. For example, the Bangkok International Trade Center that I mentioned earlier is one of the largest event venues in Southeast Asia, and it's actually attracting millions of visitors every year.
I mean, this is also actually explains to the lifestyle that they are having right now in Bangna. And what is it like right now for the community living?
As mentioned before, Bangna is much similar like Mutiara Damansara, with all the amenities you need and a friendly local Thai community. It's easy to see why people choose Bangna as their home. Whether you're looking for a good school, international school, medical center, private hospitals coming in, easy access, also a sense of belonging, Bangna has it all.
It seems like Bangna is already a mature township, but Sumit, is there anything else that we can still expect to see in the coming years, in terms of the development and also the growth?
Yes, there are a number of exciting projects in the pipeline for Bangna. Like example, the Bangkok Mall, which would be the largest shopping mall in Southeast Asia. Second, the LRT Silver Line. It's a government project in Bangna that connects to Suvarna Bhumi International Airport. So these are just some examples that we can expect to see. With its strategic location and the growth of population, this is why Bangna is being called Siam 2.0, the next capital city of Thailand.
I should really pay a visit to Bangna, so please Sumit, bring me there. Thank you so much for watching another episode of the ThaiProp 101. If you enjoyed this, right, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content and also for the Thailand property investment.
Don't forget to share it with your friends and family.
Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.